Hello all, in this video I'll be discussing about problem number 55 of Leetcode, that is jump game. So you are given an array nums and you are initially positioned at first index of the array. Each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. So you have to return true if you can reach the last index of the array, otherwise you have to return false. Say for example, in this case, the answer is true as you can jump from 0 index to first index and then you can jump to the fourth index in 3 steps. So if the last index is reachable, then it's true, otherwise it's false. So the approaches for this is simpler. The first approach can be that you can target initially from 0 position and you can check whether the last position is reachable or not. If it is reachable, then return true, else return false. Otherwise, the another approach can be that you can start from last and then you can check the reachability to first position. If you are able to reach at 0 index, then it's true, otherwise it's false. So let's discuss the approaches one by one. The first approach says initialize the sum, that is max value, to 0 and then traverse and pass through the array via index I. So index I is used to traverse the array. Update the sum as max sum I plus nums I, and at last if sum is greater than equal to n is the number of elements, and if sum is greater than equal to n, then return true, else return false. So let's see how it can be done. Starting at index 0 at this position. So now if I plus nums I, that is on which step you are, plus how many steps you can further take. Okay, so I'm just calculating the sum of this. 0 plus 1 is 1. So now sum is max of sum and this. So sum is updated to 1 here. Now for this we can just have a value of 1 plus 3, that comes out to be 4. So now I'm calculating the maximum of 4 and 1, that comes out to be 4. So this means I can jump to 4 steps further. So now here 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 and 3 max is 4 still. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 and 4 max is still 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8 and 4 and 8 comes out to be 8. So by the end of this pass, the sum, that is the maximum values to which I can jump, is 8, that is the index. So now since sum, the index is greater than equal to 4, means I have just reached the last index. So now for this case I'll be returning true. So in this we have just started from 0th index and then we have checked out the reachability to the last index. In the second approach, we'll be starting through the back. So here we'll be just taking the last position as n minus 1, that is 4. The same example I'm following here as well. So we have initialized the last position as 4. Traverse the array through the reverse pass. So we'll be traversing from the back side. Compare I plus nums I is greater than equal to last position. If yes, then you have to update last position as I. And at the end of the loop, if last position comes out to be 0, that is, you have reached the 0 index at the start of the array, then return true, else return false. So let's see how again we are doing it. 4 plus 4 comes out to be 8. So last position, if 8 is greater than equal to 4, yes, so update it to the index 4. Again it is 4. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 4 is greater than equal to 4. Yes, so the index that needs that the last position will be updated to is 3. Now 2 plus 1 comes out to be 3. 3 is greater than equal to 3. Yes, again the index is updated to 2. Now 1 plus 3 comes out to be 4. 4 is greater than equal to 2. Yes, so that's why the index will be updated to 1 in this case. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is greater than equal to 1. Yes, so the index will be updated in this case as 0. Since the complete pass has ended and the last position is 0, so as per this, if last position is 0, then you will be returning true. So this is how this question can be solved. However, if you just want to have a look on the case of not reachability and returning false, so I have just solved it using the approach 2 only. So again, I am just writing the sum 4 plus 4 is 8 in this case, and last position 8 is greater than or equal to 4, so it will be true, and last position will be updated to 4. But now here 3 plus 0 is 3 only. 3 is greater than or equal to 4? No. So there will be no change, and last position will be 4 itself. Again here the sum comes out to be 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 is greater than or equal to 4, again false. So last position will not be updated. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is greater than or equal to 4, again no change. 3, no change. Last position will be 4 in itself. So at the end of the pass, you will be having a 4 which is not equal to 0. So that's why false will be returned in this case. I hope both the solutions are clear to you now. So let's see how we can code it using the last solution. So here last position is first of all initialized. Then we have applied a reverse pass. If step count plus index count is greater than or equal to last position, then we have updated the last position to I. This means that we can reach up till ith point. So if by the end of this pass we can reach at ith, that is 0th point, then we have returned a true. Otherwise, if this condition will be false, then it will return false. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.